Now we'll be dealing with the concept of juvenile. There is similarity between the definition of a child or the concept of a child and juvenile, which can be very confusing at times. Although they mean the same, but they are used in different contexts. So, a juvenile is a child, but or a young person who is not mature or is not an adult or is not cannot be regarded as an adult. And the terms, these both terms, they have similarity, they are almost the same thing, but they're used in different ways. The word child and juvenile, they're like, they can be said as synonymous, but they are used in different contexts and they are used in different implications and contexts. Yeah. So they are synonymous, but they are different contextually speaking. They're different. Now, who can be a child? Like we've already discussed before, a child is a person who is underage or who is a minor or who is not an adult. So, the concept of child and the age of minority are like correlated. They are related. A person who is not a major or who is below the age of majority is a child. Like it is something that has been accepted, and a person who is a minor is below the age of 18 years, as that has been already there in law. A minor is a person who is below the age of 18 years. A person is said to have attained majority once he has achieved the age of 18 or more. Then he's a major, otherwise he's a minor. So this minority thing differentiates childhood from adulthood. And minority depends upon age only, and age as has different depends on different jurisdictions and applications, but it is generally accepted as 18. Yeah, as we all know, it is generally accepted as 18, but it can be different and can be it can be different sometimes, but the accepted age is 18. So a child might be used in different contexts, and it is connected to the age of overall majority. For example, like we can say a child, underage and child are connected, like they're connected. Like you can say they're connected, but they are different, because a person who is underage does not actually mean that he's a child. Like for example, let's take the age of voting. Age of voting is 18, but age of marrying for a male is 21. So according to Child Prohibition Act, till 21 a male is a child, but he can vote after the age of 18 or once he's attained the age of 18. So he's not underage for voting, but he's underage to marry. Same way, like we can say a person is underage, but that does not necessarily mean that he or she is a child. He's underage for that particular thing, like for drinking. And in Delhi, it has recently been made to 21, but otherwise accepted is 25. So a person below 25 years of age is not accepted or cannot drink. He's not legally, or he or she is not legally eligible to drink, but he's legally eligible to marry, he or she is legally eligible to vote. But they cannot, like, it is not an accepted age of drinking. He or she is underage for drinking. Then, yeah, ages are different for marriageable age is different, voting age is different, drinking age is different. So we can say age of giving consent is different. We can say that being a child, underage, minor, juvenile, these are all connected concepts, but child and juvenile are synonymous. And underage is a term that can be used in many senses. Like underage can be child also, underage can be a person who is not legally eligible to do something. So then a juvenile is such a concept that it indicates legality. It indicates legality Well, technically, a juvenile is a young person or who has not a person who has not attained maturity or majority or cannot be treated as an adult. But a juvenile is also used in legal sense in a way that a young juvenile is a person who is a young offender. That is a person who has committed a crime and is at below the age of 18 years while he or she has committed such a crime. So he is called a juvenile offender or a juvenile. Then a child is somebody who has not attained the age of, who cannot be fully obligated or is not responsible in the eyes of law. In the eyes of law. Then, like in layman language, we can say a child is a person who is below the age of majority, who is not responsible, who is not an adult, who is a child below the age of majority, that is below 18 years of age. But a juvenile is a person who is accused of a crime and is tried as an adult in the court proceedings. Juvenile is a term, like juvenile in legal sense, it is used for person who commit crime, and it can be said that juvenile is a person who has committed some crime and who is accused of a crime, is a young offender and will be tried in the court of law as an adult. And juvenile either indicates immature people or offenders. Like in general sense, juvenile is either immature people who cannot be treated as adults or who cannot be said to be adults because are not legally responsible. In that way, it is synonymous to the concept of child. But when it comes to offenders, juvenile is used in that context in legal sense. Juvenile offender is a person who has committed the crime and he or she is below the age of 18 years. Is a juvenile offender. He has committed or has been accused of a crime. Then according to subsection 12 of section 2 of the Juvenile and Justice Care and Protection Act 2015, this particular subsection defines what a child is according to JJ Act. And as we have studied before, a child according to JJ Act is a person who has not attained the age of 18 years. He can be classified or he can be called as a child, and this particular subsection, this act clarifies that the term child can be divided into two categories. First category being child in conflict with law, and second category being child in need of care and protection. As the word suggests, child in conflict with law can be a person who has committed a crime or who is accused of a crime or who has done something that is illegal, that is not legally acceptable, like has murdered someone or grievously hurt someone or stolen something or involved in something, theft, robbery, anything. Child can be, a child in conflict with law is this. But a child in care of need and protection, has been defined under section 2D of the Juvenile Justice Act. And this says this means a person who is in need of care and protection. Like it can be said, a child in need of care and protection. Child in need of care and protection can be anyone who, for example, who is homeless or who doesn't have a sustainable means to live, or who is living with guardians and is being harassed or exploited by them. These children come under the category of children in need of care and protection. So the JJ Act has given two categories and it protects both kinds of children. Like it is there for children who are in conflict with law, and also for children in care of need and protection. So this particular Juvenile Justice Act has taken into its ambit these children who are below the age of 18 years and who have committed some crime or who are in need of care and protection. So this act takes children in its ambit, both categories children who are offenders and as well as who need care and protection. So this was about the concept of juvenile.